Welcome to Tabletop Battle Adventures. Had family come in town. It was wonderful. Small accident happened, and a family member on the way to the root cellar accidentally knocked part of the battlefield down. So we took some real casualties. And now that I've got a little bit of time tonight, I'm going to start doing repairs. So I'll get turn 8, 0400 hours underway. It'll be a few more days as I watch the videos and put everything back in its place. All right. Give you updates soon. Oh, and I've got this Omaha Beach table almost ready. Do a better update soon, but it's almost ready. All right, see you next time.